Welcome back, everyone. This is our second day back to Tilman Island. As you can see in front of you is a rain storm right there pouring down as we speak. And that is Chesapeake Beach over there, everyone. And yeah, rain or shine, we are back for fishing. Second day here at Tilman Island, Eastern Shore, Maryland, Eastern Shore, um, America, U.S. America. Over there is Manny video. He's making his own video. I'm gonna zoom it in. There he is. And the wind is very choppy. Very choppy. And the waves actually choppy too. But yeah, look at that rain cloud. I mean, yeah, it's coming down over there, everyone. It sure is. That rain pouring down right there. I love it. Oh my goodness, I love it. Rain or shine. It didn't stop us from coming out here and you know fishing for a second day. For a second time. Now I have to hold on to my tripod because yeah, last time the wind knocked over my old S10, smashed it on the ground, and I have to go out and went out and buy a new S24, which I'm video with right now. Therefore, I don't want to take any chain of this tripod knocked over by the wind, and then I can't afford to get another phone, everyone. So, yep. I hope my tripod is secure this time, everyone. I want to be in a video. So. Say hello. Hello. I'm posing. I'm posing for your video. Hello. Welcome. Welcome. Woo. Love from Tilman Island. Love from Tilman Island. It's not Hawaii, but I feel like I'm in Hawaii, everyone. I feel like in Maui or Waikiki or I'm loving it. Rain or shine, we gonna fish. Rain or shine, everyone, we still gonna fish. Right, Manny? Rain or shine, we still gonna fish, right? He's not even hearing me with all the wind going on. Now can you hear me very well? Woo! Woo! I gotta be careful because the rock is very, slippery. Very slippery. It's so wonderful to be out here, everyone. Come back here. I did a whole bunch of talking, and then I found out that it was not recording. So I just waste like 15 minutes of my time talking, and I thought it was videoing the whole time, but it didn't. So I'm gonna have to redo it, everyone. I'm gonna have to redo it again. I think I forgot what did I say earlier. So I only have 3 messages to share with everyone today out here. Our favorite Tilman Island. Number 1, never ever give up hope. No matter how bad things are, never ever give up hope. 2, always believe in miracles because they do happen every day. Always believe in miracles because they do there's always light at the end of every dark tunnel, everyone. There's always light at the end of every dark tunnel. I myself want to not one, twice dark tunnel in my life. It took me a long time, many years to finally find, came out the other side of the tunnel and found the light at the end of the tunnel. So there's always light at the end of every tunnel. Just keep believing in that, and always bring kindness and compassion with you everywhere you go. And just live your life as best as you can. Never hurt, kill any living creature, big or small, including human beings, because that's one of the basic foundation of Buddhism teaching and philosophy. Never hurt or harm any living creature, big or small, including human beings. Always practice random act of kindness, and do your best, live your life as best as you can, and let the universe, let karma take care of everything. And I do believe that good people have good things come to them. I believe that. And that's it. That's the message. Stay strong, healthy, and happy. Stay strong, healthy, and happy. Yep. Life is too short. Life is too short and precious. Cherish and appreciate every single moment being alive. Every single moment being alive. Love from Tilman Island. I love peace and harmony with everyone, all humankind around the world. I love peace and harmony be with all humankind around the world. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. That was the message that I want to share with everyone today out here. Our favorite spot, Tilman Island, beautiful Tilman Island in Maryland, eastern side of Maryland, eastern shore of Maryland, everyone. Yep. Man, he had to wash the cooler, everyone, because from last night the dead fish is gonna stink. It's really stink, and I mean really, really stink. So he gonna wash the cooler. Yeah. Don't fall down there. Don't fall down there. Yep. Oh, it's beautiful, everyone. Absolutely beautiful. The air smells so fresh out here. Love it. Absolutely relaxing, everyone. This is what I call little simple pleasure in life. This is exactly what I call. Oh, don't fall in there. Don't fall in there. I can't jump in and save you. It's been a long time I haven't swam. I don't know how good I am. Don't fall in there now. And you don't know how to swim, so be careful. Be careful. Oh my goodness, he's so close to the edge, everyone. Oh gosh, I hope he's not gonna fall in. Don't fall in there. Oh my goodness. He is risking his life. Oh, don't fall in there. It's very dangerous. Oh, this reminds me of 7 months in Indonesia, everyone. Refugee camp. 7 months, 1978. My family and I stay in a refuge. Yeah, my family and I stay in Indonesia, the beautiful island of Indonesia, for 7 months. The refugee camp, everyone, and it was paradise, truly paradise. And I tell my children and I tell my friend, it's like the most wonderful vacation, 7 month vacation, all paid for. What is it not to love about? And people just laugh, and say, "You're awesome, Jane, because you always think positive. You always think positive about everything and everyone." And that's how I go through life, everyone. How I go through life, up and down, by staying positive. And look at her beautiful ray of sunlight coming out of the cloud. I mean, look at that. It's like heaven. It's like heaven on earth. I mean, you don't see this every day. Not in the city with all the buildings and cars. But out here, the sky is the limit. Yep. I am working on publishing my first memoir about my trip from Vietnam to America, the land of freedom and opportunity. And I'm working with a publisher. Hopefully have my first memoir coming out to Amazon Kindle and Barnes and Noble and Apple Store in a couple months. My author's name would be under the same name as my YouTube channel, Jane Phuong Nguyen. I use my middle name, Jane Phuong Nguyen, as the author of my book, because it just goes with my story. And I'm hoping in the future that my goal is to complete a trilogy, a series of 3 books. So cross my ring finger and hope for the best. Beautiful, beautiful. So the first book is about pretty much my first 10 years living in Vietnam, where I was born, and then the 3 years living under the communist regime from 1975 to 1978. And then the rest of the book is about my life here in America, the land of freedom and opportunity. That's including all the challenges that my family face. Include language barrier, culture shocks, and discrimination, just to name a few. Oh, look at this bird. Wow. Excuse me, but I have to video the beautiful bird. Wow. I don't know what kind of bird, but it's beautiful. It looked like a hawk or a oh my goodness. Oh, it's beautiful. Alright, so my second and third book is gonna be about my father's side of the family and my mother's side of the family. Yep, one book for each. So that would complete the trilogy, the series of 3 books, everyone, that I'm planning on complete. I don't know when, I don't know how long it's gonna take, but that is the goal that I set out. Because I'll be retired in 2 years, still counting, and I'm planning that I will be writing full-time, become a full-time writer once I retire in 2 years, 2026, and that's when my son will be graduating from college, Virginia Tech, in 2 years.
Looking forward to all of that achievement and accomplishment, everyone.